stabilizers. Packing will pack. Confirm seal.
Load distribution is optimal. Keep assembling. Deploying oxygen generator.
Seal the breaches.
Breach online. Atmosphere stabilizing. We're clear. Deploying satellite links now. All sys firmed. AI core is coming online. Connection restored. We have real-time control. Let's begin reconstruction. Interiors next. Confirm life support. Confirmed. All systems green. Initiating artificial gravity deployment. Copy. Rotating systems on.
Gravity stabilizing. Confirm.
Confirmed. All clear. Deploy shielding now. Synced. Barriers at 80%. Full activation. Monitor for impacts. Confirmed. Holding.
Module approaching. Arm, prepare to engage. Octane phase successful. Next module incoming.
Deploying now. Watch the spray pattern.
Confirmed. Microbots are engaging.
Perfect. The shell is stabilizing. Align the maglev tracks precisely along the ceiling vertebra. Cargo pod test commencing. Navigation systems are green. Proceed with core installation. Sensor arrays are online and syncing. Systems are live. Initiate hydroponic deployment. Robotic units. Install water lines and LED panels. Vegetation emerging. Initiating central AI sync.
Confirmed. All systems responding.
Life support, power, nav, security, all green. Panel alignment confirmed. Proceed with install. Good. Now lock it in and connect the lines. Stabilizing. Core temps are dropping. Deploy all units across every level.
Drones airborne. Fire units primed.
Repairs by operation. All systems green. Initiate full system diagnostics. Performance metrics are green, flawless.
Initiate shield deployment. Drones lock position. Forming. Fall fire.
Initiate full rotation. Monitor levels.
Balance is stabilizing.
Good. Confirm load distribution. Initiate full system synchronization.
Substance sync cross-shooting and logistics in Army.
Team, metrics are green across the board. Confirmed. Efficiency is perfect.
Mission complete. Outstanding work.